Hey everyone, I'm Dave Irons, Realtor with the Plowman team, and we're here at my newest home for sale, 337 Airport Parkway in Belleville, Ontario. Let's check it out. As you walk into the home, you're greeted with an open concept living and dining area with two beautiful bay windows, and you have an eat-in kitchen with a patio door that leads out to the awesome deck. The main floor also includes 3 great-sized bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, laundry, and a separate entrance from the garage into the basement. This home sits on 1.7 acres of land and features a 40 by 80 garage with 2 14-foot doors. Thanks for taking the tour of this beautiful home for sale. If you have any questions, call the number above. And to stay up to date with our newest listings, hit the subscribe button down below.